Hi everyone, I want to take a moment and talk to you about the comb capper. I have found this is one of the most handiest pieces of equipment that I have for extracting honey. It is made of 100% food grade, it is heavy duty, it has slots in here to fit your ears of your frames in, and on the back it has a ring that is open so that you can put it right on the side of your bucket and it's there to stay. It's not going to move on you. Now, when you put in your medium frame here, it can set by itself, but I kind of like to hold it on the top, and then I'm going to run it down like this to cut the outer comb off from the honey so that it can begin to flow. Then I'm going to flip it over, and again, it will hold it by itself, and then I'm going to cut that side off, and it is ready to be extracted at that point. Again, this is one of the most handiest pieces of equipment for honey extraction that I have ever put my hands on, and that is your comb capper.